put the dirt pods in there. Okay, and now we need what?
Water?
Yes, hang on. All right, it says 4 cups of water, so that's 2. Look, because there's 1 and that's 2. So that's 2 cups of water. So put that in. All right, so we need 2 more because 2 and 2 makes 4.
Okay.
All right, there's 2 more. So put that in because 2 and 2 make 4. Now take the fork and do it easy. Just move it around a little bit and it'll get softer in a few minutes, okay? So we'll let it sit in there. Is it getting bigger?
Yeah.
And try to move it with the fork.
Yeah.
Is it soaking that water in?
Yeah.
Ooh. What are we doing?
We are planting strawberries.
Mm-hmm. Just keep it in the bowl, that's fine. What's in there?
Seeds.
Mm-hmm. What kind?
Pink. Strawberry.
Yeah. All right, hold it up and I'll cut it. Let's cut it. And they said the seeds are going to be very big?
Mm-hmm.
Big?
Yeah.
Or did they say they're going to be very little?
Big.
They said little.
Little.
And we put it on the little plate. Put it on a plate.
I see them.
Oh, make sure we get it on the plate. Do you hear that one?
Give me this.
Hang on, I don't want us to lose them. Wait a minute. Ooh. Wow. That's getting big.
This one is
Okay, so looks like we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7, maybe 8, 9 little seeds. So we'll see what they're gonna do. Go from there.
milk for.
You think we need milk in it?
Yes. And mix it with their hands.
Well, that's how we do biscuits, isn't it? But we're not gonna eat this dirt.
No, we're not.
Putting it in. We gotta get that clump undone. Watch your fingers.